Hey, what's going on everybody? Marshall here, and today I'm going to teach you how to catch and release a drone out of the air. I use this all the time when I'm chasing down boats with this thing. This is very easy to do with the Phantom 4 Pro, the drone that I have in my hand right here, because notice there's a railing right here. So anyways, basically what I do is make sure the props are on and secured, and make sure you have a lanyard, because notice I'm hands-free right now and this thing's just chain swinging. And anyways, so I hold the drone way, lock your elbow basically way out away from your head, because it could, you don't want to turn this thing on right here. And then what you do, I have it set up to start by putting the joysticks basically as a V towards you. So you put both joysticks towards you like this, and then notice the drone has turned on. And I have my up and down settings for my right joystick. So what I do is just barely push up on the right joystick, and you'll feel a little bit of tension, like it's gonna go away. And then I just keep it like that. And what I'm gonna do is move it away from us a little bit for this explanation. But now, see it just doing its thing, and I'm over here hands-free. So now what I can do is start my shoot by going away. And there you have it. And now to catch this thing out of the air, basically I bring it about 3 feet away from me. And then I usually just walk up to it and grab the railing like this, nice firm grab, and then bring the joysticks together like this again. And then wait till it turns off. And then right away, as soon as it turns off, I make sure I turn the battery off, just in case if this thing wants to kick back on. That's basically a quick explanation how to catch and release a Phantom 4 Pro out of the air. If you guys have any questions, feel free to write me in the comments below. And until next time, take care.